Yesterday, I rescued some little baby bird hatchlings, and I couldn't figure out how I was going to get them back in the tree, like their nest fell. And so I did some Googling, and now I'm gonna go check on them. So what I wound up doing was putting them inside this candy pail that you use on Halloween. It was just an idea from WikiHow or whatever, and it looks like this. Just don't know if the birdie parents can find them. Here to check on them. Okay, they're okay. Look at them. They're so hungry, aren't you? I know. I don't know what to feed them. Now, Google says I should feed them egg yolks. I hope that's right. Do you want to wake up again so you can have some food? Yeah? Here. Here. Here.